Hi, my name's Jeremy Brune and you've tuned into my Wood Domain channel. Now this is an exciting time for me, and I hope for some of you as well, as I'm entering the world of live streaming. Now this is an experimental video, and to cut to the chase, I plan to do some sessions, maybe half an hour a week, whereby I discuss a topic of interest to you. For instance, somebody made a comment in one of my videos about the rules for success at woodworking, and he said, yes, I understand all that, but I lack the confidence. So I thought, well, that would be a good one to start with. How do you get confidence at woodwork? And I don't really understand how this works, other than I presume you, the viewer, will send a message on my live streaming platform, and I can deal with those questions live. Now, I've deliberately made my mugshot small for several reasons, but one is that just to prove that it is live, or it will be live. Obviously this is recorded. And then I think also that I've got to reposition the camera, because at the moment I've got the screen over there and the camera here, but the camera mount, there isn't room on my desk. So I'm going to have to hang it from the ceiling or something. So forgive me for looking at the screen at the moment rather than you. I'm exploring the software. It's called OBS, and you know what, I've forgotten what that stands for. Open Broadcast or something. So I can switch backgrounds, scenes, and this is going to be the fun. And I want to keep this video short. There we are. That's I can see I've got to fine tweak my chroma key here. I've got to improve the lighting so that you can't see that little square of background. So I'm hoping what you're seeing is my software, so I'm going to switch to that mode. This is software I use for my videos, and I can tell you it is hugely time consuming. A 5-minute video probably takes me 3 or 4 days to do, because there's a massive amount of editing. Whereas this, hopefully being live, there'll be no editing. And but while we're on the screen, I want to just briefly show you this amazing software called Pinnacle Studio, and you can see on the top right hand window the actual video. This is the timeline here, and it's so intuitive. But the reason I'm showing you is this is an old version. It's Studio 15. I also have Studio 22. It is a nightmare of complexity. Why, oh why, do they have to throw the baby out with the bathwater in so-called evolution and progress? Often the older softwares are much more intuitive, they're more simple, and they're quicker to use. So there's a theme that could be, you know, a topic to deal with in a live stream in the future. So thank you for watching. Please watch this space, or watch my channel, because I intend fairly soon to start live streaming, and I only understood what the word meant yesterday. Okay, now where's the button to get back onto that screen and to press stop?